Hey there, how you doing? My name is Zach Calhoun, the co-founder of CloudPano.com. Welcome. I'm happy you're here. Today I'm going to show you everything you need to know about 360 virtual tours. If you're brand new to the space, I'm excited for you. It's not too complicated. You're going to love the output, and you're going to learn how to create a 360 virtual tour from scratch with no experience. Even if you have no 360 camera or you don't have any prior photography experience or prior virtual tour experience, doesn't matter. I'm going to make it quick and easy for you today, and I hope you enjoy this video. First, I'm going to show you how a virtual tour looks on your mobile browser. What's cool and powerful about this kind of technology is that when you show off the interior of a space, just with one click of a URL, no app is required. You jump into a mobile smartphone browser, and you can actually open up what we call motion control view. So as you move left and move right and move your viewer up, move your viewer down, you can see a space in full 360. There's even a VR mode as well too, all accessible in one click. So looking through a space, exploring through hotspots, looking at embedded content is easy to do, fun, and a whole new environment or channel to view an interior space. So what I'm going to do quickly is I'm going to show you CloudPano, how it looks, how to create a virtual tour yourself, and how to get started quickly on the platform. After this, hopefully you'll be an expert and you'll enjoy the entire experience. Now, when you first log in, you're going to want to go to app.cloudpano.com, or you just click the big green button on our homepage that says, try it out, get started for free. So try it now, sign in, you create an account, and it'll sign you into your dashboard just like this. And whenever you click a new tour, you'll be taken to this page right here. It will look just like this. And if you don't have any 360 photos, no problem. I actually have a pre-made demo for you that you can create. Just click not ready to make one on your own. Click here to play with a sample tour. So click right there, and we'll pre-populate your account with 4 360 interior photos. We even have some demo videos to get you started. So you can watch some of those videos to kind of get you going, but also too, I'm going to show you here today in this video. Now, what you see right here is what we call our tour editor. Okay, lots of things you can do, and it's a lot of fun, really easy to use. But first, I'm just going to go ahead and publish this tour as it is right now and show you what it looks like when you have a finished example. So when you create a tour on CloudPano, when you click publish, you're given 2 outputs. Your first output is a link, which looks like this. You just click it. And also you get an embed code. An embed code allows you to embed onto a website or any listing site, etc., your virtual tour output. So it's a pre-built embed code for you. And embed is just like a window to another place on the internet. So when you click off this share modal, you'll see something like this. You'll notice that I can drag and drop on my desktop. You can also, if you're on mobile, you can just use your finger, or you can use motion control mode as well. You can navigate by clicking on these thumbnails below, which is really easy to do. So we have den, living, bedroom. We have the kitchen example as well too. And it'll take us into those rooms. So if I'm in the living room and I want to go to this bedroom, I'll just click this arrow. We call it a hotspot, and it'll take me to the bedroom. See how now I'm in the bedroom itself. And you can also do it, all of what you're seeing right now me doing, you can also do on your mobile device. And you can also create a virtual tour on your mobile device as well too, which is pretty great. The top left corner, you see some added information: name, phone number, email. Over here to the right, you see some icons. So because I'm logged in, I have a little edit tour icon here and a go dashboard button. Most people won't see this because they're not logged into an account. We also have a share modal, so you can share this link if you want to, and you can go full screen, and you can go into what's called VR mode. Okay, so that's the basics of how a virtual tour looks on your desktop. Now let's open up the tour editor and go through some of the elements of how to create a virtual tour itself and what are some of my options. Okay, so as you can see here, we have our 3 images. You can reorganize those if you want to. You saw that thumbnail. The thumbnail order is based on this order right here. You just drag and drop that order, and you can rename the photos whatever you like. So if I want to call this Den 2, call it Den 2. It's easy to change. If I want to add images, I'll just click Add Images. I can add more photos. We're also compatible with 2D still images, so not just 360. So if you want to add some 2D stills, you can as well. If you have a lot of photos and you want to sort them, you have a whole expanded sort area as well, and you can drag and drop there, make your life easier. Also, there's tour properties inputs. You saw it on the top left, name, phone number, and email. So you utilize those for either your clients or for yourself as you are marketing your interior spaces. Now, so a quick run through of some of these buttons right here. You can add information into these tours, and you just click add info spot and click an area. And you have right now you have 5 options. So you can add a short text. So you can just say, hi as a short text, or you could say picture if you'd like. Also, you can add a image. So say you want to have a preview text, you can add a custom image here that will pop up whenever someone clicks that info spot. You can add an extended description as well. So you can, as someone types in a header and some body text as well. Also, you can add an HTML pop-up. So when someone clicks, say, a video icon or a video info spot, you can have a YouTube video placed there, and they can watch that video right there inside their 360 environment. So that's really cool. And of course, we have a hyperlink, so you can link out to things as well. You can have that link to say an Amazon store or an e-commerce store. You can have it linked really to anything, a credit application, but whatever the particular use case is for your niche and for what you're using the platform for, you can link out to it quite easily. Also, too, you have the option of opening up what we call library. Okay. Really important feature because we have assets in here that you can upload whatever you'd like. So let's say I want to use this orange icon here. Well, you can do that is by upload that icon and clicking use this image. And what will happen now is actually will be the orange icon will be the one I have selected. Also, a couple of important elements about library is we have a community library. So there's images, there's hotspot icons, there's logos. And so if you were to click on the hotspot icons and scroll through some of these, you see hundreds and hundreds of icons you can use inside your tours, arrows, and you can rotate those arrows as well too. It's all provided by the community and by CloudPano's team as well. So it's really cool. There's a lot of options for you. You just add them into your library. You can add sounds and music as well. So say you want to add music into your tour, you can do that through the library feature. There's images, hotspot icons, and logos as well. So just want to make you aware of that. So let's look at what a short text might look like. Let's call this, I'm labeling the picture in this case. I'm going to say save info spot. We see right here it is. That's what it looks like. Really simple. You can add text there, and I can add other elements as well too, which you can play around with on your own. Also too, I want to show you what a hotspot is. A hotspot is very simple. It just takes you to another place inside your tour. So if I was to click a hotspot, add to this door right here, let's say I want to have a little bit of a right turn. So I'll add a right turn. And I'll have it linked to this. We can link anywhere. So I'll have it linked to living room. And that will be where that takes me. Also, too, I showed you we can edit this and add, we'll say whatever we want for an icon. Let's say we want to use this blue arrow. Okay. So I'm going to click use this image. Now you see I faced it to the right because I clicked rotate hotspot. Let's rotate a little bit more here. There we go. Link it to the living room. And you can see it's now a hotspot link to the living room, paste to the right, and it's a blue arrow from the community library. So really simple. You can add whatever you want. You add logos there. So all types of options for the hotspot navigation. Okay, so if you look over here to the left, we've been in the Edit Tour tab. There's a lot of other options, and I won't run through them really fast. But we have a lot of videos embedded in these sections as well too to help train you, get you moving, get you rolling as fast as possible. So you can upload a logo into your tour, and it'll hang out on the top left underneath your info based on the theme you have selected. You can also select different themes. So you can see here we have the flow theme, for example. So the flow theme looks a little bit different, and I'll show you what it looks like here in a second. And we have Cascade, we have Classic, we have a lot of options. Also, you can white label your virtual tours. That means you can use your own URL. Super big deal because when you share a virtual tour on CloudPano, your brand shines, your business shines, not CloudPano. We'll sit in the background quietly and just host your virtual tours for you. Also, you can customize your preview image. So if you want to add a custom image here, you can, or we pulled 3 as well from the particular examples. This is how Facebook looks, or this is how it will look for Facebook or any type of other sharing options. Also, too, you can add a watermark to the bottom right of your tour, add some things there. It'll pop on the bottom right of your tour as well. Also, when you are going through your tour, I forgot to add this, so I'm going to go add it now. You can set your initial view. It's really important. So if I click set initial view, it will save the location, the area that I'm facing. So a quick way, easy way for you to be able to save which direction you are looking when someone hits that room. So now let's go down below the brand kit. We have floor plans. You can add a floor plan onto your virtual tour. So I'm actually going to minimize some of this here. You can upload one, and when you upload a floor plan, you can also customize the icon text to say whatever you want to. So you want to say site plan, etc. Also, if you have virtual tour created, you want our team to create a floor plan for you, that's no problem. We can do that. We have a whole order process you can go through, and it's only a low fee. Also, too, let's see here, we have the lead generation feature, which is actually really important. You can capture leads on the tour and send them to your clients automatically, and you can customize not only where it goes, but what do you want the message to say, and what do you want that particular icon to say as well, too. So the function of the lead generation feature is to send leads to your clients, so you can create the virtual tour and have it do the work for you. So really cool. Or your salespeople if it's for your business. Okay, let's keep rolling here. So a few more features I want to highlight. There's some more advanced ones as well too, but I'll let you guys kind of dig through those as well. So you can set a privacy level here as well. We are integrated with third parties. So an example of third party is Realtor.com. This will automatically upload to Realtor.com if I say I would like to opt in for that. Also, we have customized or more advanced navigation modes. This includes some transition changes. We also have a natural view navigation that creates a walkthrough experience, really cool. Also, you can embed or upload Google Analytics as well. So if you want to add analytics, you can do that. Now put some really cool analytics for you. There's ambient sounds you can add. You can also customize those sounds. And we have a lot of different other customizations, like when someone first starts the tour, or the thumbnails can be minimized at first. So you can get rid of thumbnails altogether. You can lock horizontal view. You can turn off auto rotation. You can customize the speed of your auto rotation. So that's important. Let me see here. What else? We can also hide share buttons. So it's different options to play with. I would definitely play with those ones you prefer for your tours. Also, too, we have something called CloudPano Live. This is one of our most one of our biggest features, I would say, and most important features to the future of virtual selling. When you click this on, what it allows you to do is have a live video chat call with your clients inside CloudPano. Really cool deal. Also, you can set host up for it, so it has to require a host to join the call, and even notify certain people when people join the room. Also, we have a whole entire book and appointment flow, which is pretty powerful, and I think you would really enjoy trying it out. So try these out. And also we have a Calendly integration as well too. So a lot of cool stuff you can use from the whole virtual selling as a service type virtual tour creation. So check that out when you can. And we have a whole entire Teams feature as well too. So if you have a large team and you want to add them into your virtual tour environment, you can do that. You have sales team. We have a whole Teams integration set up. You can add people easily to your team and command and control what is the ideal or best editing or viewing options for your team. So big deal. Also, too, we have a whole entire Google Street View upload feature. You can click this little guy right here, and it will change the whole editor to a Street View editor. Check that out when you have time. And I even have a video dedicated to that as well. So lots of features, as you can tell. I'll kind of quickly jump over to the dashboard as well, too. I didn't publish that, so I probably should have, but I'm going to go back to it actually. Well, what I'll do here is I'll click publish. So whenever you're ready, you can click publish. Also, you can download tours with hosting yourself if you'd like. So I'm going to click, but you have to be a Pro Plus user to do that. So I just published a tour, and you can see a couple things I did. I changed the theme. Okay, so down here it looks a little different. I added on lead generation as a feature. I also added on CloudPano Live. So when someone clicks CloudPano Live, they jump into a live video call with their with other prospects, other people. Okay, so you also on CloudPano Live, you can draw on the photos. So say if I share my screen, I can take control. I can draw on the photo as well too. So it's an entire like sales environment that I have access to as a CloudPano Live call. As you can see, I'm over here to the right and to the left. There's a duality here because this is what CloudPano Live looks like, and they have multiple people inside the room as well too. Yeah, so I'm going to exit out of CloudPano Live. I'll let you guys go ahead and play with that on your own. All right, so lots of features, lots you can do. Play with CloudPano. You set up a free account, publish a tour, show some potential prospects, and get the experience. Okay, if you want to learn how to photograph and get a whole entire training about how to photograph virtual tours and what to do and what are some simple, quick tips to get you started, there's a link below this video that can get you moving and just make the world's easiest 360 photography workflow, auto HDR style, just whatever I can automate, make it simple for me and my team. That's what we're going to teach you how to do in the video below. So if you need more help, we have a support staff that's here for you. We're ready to help you every step along the way. At support@cloudpano.com, we have full-time people ready to help you book demos and make you the best 360 provider in the world. Also, too, we have a lot of training, other cool things to get you started. But the best way to get started right now to use all these cool features I just mentioned and try them out is to go to cloudpano.com, which I'm going to show you. Go click features, go Pro Plus, or the big green button that says upgrade. Create you a Pro Plus account on CloudPano. Get started today. Click add to cart, make your account, and try all those features out. If you're starting a business, you can start one very quickly and easily on CloudPano. We have a lot of folks who do that. Or if you're marketing your business and you're bringing on salespeople and you want to show off your interior and show off your space in full 360, you can do it with cloudpano.com. So this is a really powerful tool. A lot of users around the world who love it. I think you will too. So thank you so much for being here. I'm excited to join you in your journey. Get started today at cloudpano.com. Go Pro Plus. I'll see you inside.